Alright, just opening up the box here. This is OEDRO Motors 12-inch light bar. It's should fit perfect here on my Ranger that I've got going. I'm going to use it as a reverse light. First impressions here, it feels pretty heavy, which is always good. Usually the lighter ones kind of feel like a cheap chintzy kind of thing, but all the LEDs look pretty good. All the backlighting looks pretty nice. Comes with a wiring harness and some hardware. This one actually came with a switch, but I am going to replace that with a factory Polaris switch. Got some instructions. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty high quality. So I've used their products before and been really happy with them. So I think this should turn out pretty good. Here you can see I mounted it right in the center here underneath the bed. Looks pretty good. Hidden underneath there. If I lift the bed up here, you can see I just washed it. She's extremely muddy, but that's all right. The hookup is right down there. And I ran the wires underneath the center of the cab here. I brought it through the center. I pulled up this floor panel here and these cup holders. And I have it wired onto this far switch. So anytime you put it into reverse, it automatically comes on. Here you can see it's in reverse. Light comes on. I actually have it wired through automotive custom lighting to come on reverse, but also if I want to, I can push that right there and it comes on in any gear. So I thought that was pretty nifty and works out pretty good.